What we're doing here is we're going to take a sample as a duplicate for 3265, and the duplicate sample is going to be 3280. What we're doing here now is clearing the top part of the sediment sequence out so that we can sample a material that is starting from 12 inches below the surface. That's what is in the sample bag. 12 inches down to about 22 inches. Then we're going to dig a trench between the pick and the shovel down 1 meter deep, and we're going to sample that in 10 centimeter increments and compare the geochemistry at each of those intervals. So that we've got the sample material from the bottom part of that hole now is being put into the bag, and that is the material that's going to go to the laboratory. So we're going to get a little bit more out of the bottom of this hole. All right, we've got our pit down about 1/2 meter right now. Still working on it. All right, we're getting pretty close here. We're down to about 74 centimeters, so we've got a little bit farther to go to get to a meter depth. Off in the distance to the south, you can see the I-10 highway. We've had a lot of trains go through here today, headed in both directions. So this view is to the southeast now. Now we're looking pretty much to the east.
Yeah, I'm recording.
All right, so we have sampled from the bottom of the pit in 10 centimeter increments. We're up to 50 centimeters. And this sample will be from this ledge right here to 60 centimeters, which is right here. Make another little ledge there. And that'll be the start of the 60 to 70 centimeters, which is right there. All right, so there we go. I'm gonna straighten this up a little bit. All right, we dug our sample pit here to 1 meter depth, 100 centimeters. Now we're going to fill it back in. Got 10 samples from the bottom to the top, and we will record those starting at 351 at the bottom and 3142 at the top. 3151 at the bottom. There's a flock of sandhill cranes flying over Alkali Flat, headed to Alaska.